Alright, now we're gonna do a tank view, so put my camera there. Just 1 second. It's so good at carrying plates. Oh, the handle's really loose. This is bullshit, because handles look folded off. It won't stay on for a couple days. Anyways, here we go. Alright, it's gonna probably gonna take a long time for the tank. See? Corky flapper, Flowmaster fill out. Today's February 7th to the 6th to 17th. 2nd to 7th. Today's February 7th, not 6th. Yesterday was the 6th. Today's February 7th, 2017. It's almost done. It's almost there. Oh, there we go. Put my camera right there. I need to be careful not to break the tank lid. That's from the session like a while ago too. Oh. Screw your fucking toilet. Alright, bye.